Our next project is to electrify this old DT100. So it's pretty cool. It's a classic bike from 1977, but one of the big problems with it is it does have a cracked frame right there. So that's okay, because we are going to go with a rear hub motor, and so the strain is not going to be nearly as much, and I think this bike's days of jumping are pretty much gone. So we are going to go ahead and fix it. Okay, we grinded it a little bit, and it's not as bad as I thought it was originally. And again, because the motor's going to change locations, it's not going to be in that spot anymore. This bike's really not going to see any jumps. I think I'm just going to weld it. I was thinking I was going to gusset it, but I'll probably just weld it from both ends and we'll see how it comes out. We welded them up. Let's go ahead and knock the slag off. Okay, we finished welding it up. I cleaned it a little bit and then threw some paint on so it didn't rust. I plan to clean it up a little bit more. The welds are pretty solid. I welded at both sides, but it was really hard to get my grinder in there, so I just painted it so that it wouldn't go rusty.